Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to update apps on our Google Wear OS smartwatch. So let's check it out. Google or Wear OS might change the options for doing this in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. Developers are constantly providing wonderful apps for the Wear OS watches. If you are already familiar with Android phone, then it is almost the same on Wear OS 2. We have to update the apps regularly to get more benefits. To do this, we have to take our Wear OS smartwatch. Right now, we are using OnePlus Watch 2R, but these steps should be more or less the same on other modern Wear OS watches too. So after getting the watch, go to the Google Play Store app. We have to go to the apps section, and here we have the Google Play Store icon. We just have to select that. We have to make sure we have cellular or Wi-Fi connection active on our watch. Also check if you have enough battery life. After that, we just have to scroll down. We have to go to the bottom and we will have this manage apps option. Select that. So here we will get all the apps for which we need to update. We can see the list. We can select update all, or we can select a specific app and choose the update. That's all. So if you want to update only one app, for example Google Calendar, we just have to open that and select the update option here. That's all. It will start to download. Developers might push app updates depending on the country, watch model, etc. Sometimes it will take extra time for us to get the updates. We have to keep that in mind. We can also search for the app name on the Google Play Store to see if they have any new update. We just have to search for the app maps and we have the update option. We can select that. That's all. If you want to automatically update all the apps on your Wear OS smartwatch, then we can go to Google Play Store, scroll down, then we have to go to settings, and here we will have auto update apps. So we can enable this. When your watch is charging and connected to Wi-Fi, your apps will automatically update. So we can select this. That's all. Last but not least, we can also update the Google Play Store app on our Wear OS watch. We just have to open it and then we have to go down, go to settings, then we have to go down again, then select about here. And here we will get the option to update Play Store. We can select this. So it is up to date now. These are the steps to update apps on our Google Wear OS smartwatch. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.